Oh no, now he's gonna try to. Oh no, he's chasing them all away.
Guys, no. Don't give him any. Don't give the daddy one.
The daddy's. Well, give the daddy one so that way he stops picking on the babies.
No.
Oh no.
Hey, don't.
He's chasing them away because he wants one.
Dad, nobody almost
He didn't almost kill it.
Mama.
Give him one too. Bryce, you can't tease. You have to give it. Bryce, you can't tease. Give it to him. Oh, you didn't want it?
You are a bad boy. He wants carrots.
Yeah. Oh. I know.
Hey.
No, Daddy-o.
Big Daddy one here. Big Daddy one.
The daddy one says, I don't want any. Oh no, he's being so bad.
Big Daddy. Big Daddy boy.
Big Daddy's chasing everyone away.
Hey, Big Daddy, you're being big.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh no. All right, come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go somewhere else. Come on, Abby, somewhere else. Let's go. Daddy's being angry.
No.
No. Look, the white cow's over here, the gray one.
No.
That's just animals being animals, Bryce.
You cannot get animals like that. Mommy,
Oh, let's go see.
Mommy, did that Daddy say? Give me more too.
That's exactly what he was saying. Oh, oh, so cute. Moo. Okay. All right, ready? I see. We're almost all done. We'll see. Scarlett's gonna go feed the guinea pigs. You're gonna. Oh, it's shy. Maybe it's just full. Oh.
Wait, there's an orange thing inside that one.
Yeah. Oh, Abby, look, there's. Don't do that. Look, there's some over here you can feed.
No.
Look, these are the. Look at how pretty they are. Oh. Well, the baby ones can't eat that yet, okay? So that's. I think they could eat those. Come on, Abby, over here. That's a private residence. I think this is where they had cows and stuff. Oh, is there pigs over there? Look, over there. I think in the smaller one there's pigs. Pigs.
Oh. Right here. That's a pig.
You saw a pig.
I'm not throwing a carrot into it.
I don't know if you can reach, or you could try, I guess.
Piggy.
Oh. Almost. Oh, it went in. All right, let's go feed the rest of the animals. That we.
I see a piggy. I see a piggy. He's eating the carrot.
I see it. All right, come on. Let's go. Oh. Well, let's go feed the other animals we could see.
I only have two.
Okay. Well, we're definitely not going to feed the goats.
Yeah.
That daddy goat is crazy. Scarlett, this way, baby. There's nothing else over. There's no other animals over that way. Okay, come on. This way, back this way. You can see. Sure, there's the goat there. The cow.